Hey guys, guess what I got in today? I got the January edition of the mystery tackle box. So before I get called out on a case, let's see if we can open her up. Now I'm not going to do what I did last time and open it up with a saber saw. No, I have a new idea. I got some leftover fireworks from New Year's Eve. Let's give these a try. Well, I got it. I got it open. So let's take a look on what's on the inside. Okay guys, I'm back. Got the box open as you saw. Of course I had to take another shower and change into a new uniform here, but let's try to get this unboxing going before I get called out. Alright, we got the card, right? So let's see if we can find our first one here. It says double Plopper. I've heard about this one before. I've seen it on the some of the internet angler, YouTube anglers have had this, and wow, golly, there's a suit all over the place. But anyway, yeah, here it is. Not sure, it didn't really show up very well in here. Let me take it out. So I saw this on a couple, like I said, on a couple of YouTube angler videos, and kind of had mixed reactions on it. It's kind of like an Alabama rig, if you can imagine. So you tie onto here, pull it to the water. Hopefully the fish will strike this one, and these little guys here turn around like those Whopper Popper ones. So, you know, I'll give it a try. Again, like I said, it kind of had mixed reviews on some of the YouTube angler channels. Let's see what's next here. Banded 200 crossbreed for $6.99. By the way, that double Plopper was $17.84. But let's see what this Banded 200 crossbred is. Some of the burnt fireworks got into, oh man, dumping soot and ash all over the place. Oh, remember when they used to put confetti in these boxes? Oh, I guess now they're doing firecrackers. I know, they didn't get burned up during the opening, I guess. But anyway, let's see what else that Banded 200. Okay, here it is. Well, it's just a little crankbait. Let's see if I can you see that? Just looks like a baby bass paint job here. and it says it dives 4 to 8 feet. Pretty basic stuff. Oh, you know what? On one side, let me take this out. Let me show you. This is a little weird. Yeah, okay, this is a little interesting. Okay, the side I showed you first looked like a little baby bass. Okay, but then on this side, when you turn it around, it kind of has that sunfish color to it. So it's like 2 paint jobs in one. I don't know. I guess they got bored at the design studio and decided to do something like that. So that sells for $6.99, like I said. Now we got the Mojo Jigging spoon. Here it is. I'm not going to really take this out because it's your basic spoon. That's all it is to it. Just your basic spoon. You know, you got to find them first, right? When you know they're underneath, and lower it down and bring it back up, kind of jiggle it. So that's supposed to sell for $6.99. I don't know, I'm pretty sure you can find a spoon like this cheaper at Walmart or something, but I'm not trying to knock them. Swimming grub for $2.99. Let's see if we can find that one. Swimming grub. I think it's this, a soft plastic. By Catch 22. Of course, they renamed their company Catch 22 so they can start offering more different products, that type of thing. It just looks like, open it up for you. No weird scent, it's just a plastic. Basically, it's just a ribbon tail curly worm. I mean, a worm with a curly tail to it. So, how would I do this? You know, shaky head, and what else could I do? Shaky head, drop shot, yeah, or the normal stuff, Texas rig, and what else? Texas rig and wacky rig. So probably Texas rig, a small Texas rig, but they looks like they also included offset wide gap leading bait hook. So that might go good with this. Let's see if we can find that hook. Yeah, here you go, from Daiichi. So just use this hook with this and you're set, right? Okay. And these Daiichi hooks, they go for $1.98. That's for a package of 2 there. So last, for $7.09, we got the wedge plus flush accent. Before I go into that, I wanted to say something else about some of this rigging business. I went out on my website and created a page, and I'm going to link the description down into, the link to that page into the description below. And all I did was take a bunch of videos from YouTube anglers that were providing instruction on different kinds of riggings, and I just put them all there. You can choose whatever kind of rigging, and then for each rigging you get like 3 or 4 videos on how to do it. I couldn't do a better job. A lot of these people you've seen on YouTube, and you've probably seen these videos before too, but I'm going to link it down in the description below, and you can have a better idea of what I'm talking about if you don't know what I'm talking about on all these different riggings. Okay, so let's see this last one. I said wedge plus flash accent Stanley, $7.09. Well, this is the last one, and all it is a spinner bait. Yeah, no big deal. Here you go. Kind of has a nice little skirt to it. 2 willow blades. See, they're both, one's copper or copper color or gold color, and one is, looks like it's silver. Kind of has a sunfish look to it, and some of the other tips that they've been providing, what I do normally is put a stinger hook over here, so you have two hooks hanging out over here. Pretty basic, and but anyway, let's see what else is in here. Let's see. The swim bot. I'm not sure what this is. A little card about the swim bot. The not so distant future, the dark empty remains of your local pond, the swim bot rules all. Brought back to life from a deadly snag, the swim bot patrols decaying bottom, looking for revenge on the last fish he was ever hooked into. I'm not quite sure. I think they're advertising for some apparel, probably some t-shirts. But anyway, that's what else we got. Oh, okay, well here's the sticker for the swim bot. Okay, I finally figured out that other sticker from last time. It was what, a zombie fish trying to eat a brain on a hook. Okay, well, this just looks like some kind of robot fish looking for, you know, the last fish in the pond, I guess. Okay, and of course you get the Dibble Digest. Obviously, I haven't had a chance to look through here, just paging through. Why do all the fish jump? I don't know. Probably because they're getting chased from underneath, right? 3 secrets to cranking laydowns. Alright, I guess it'll be bridge fishing. Here's another article. Talks about square bills. Well guys, that's it. I guess I'll end it and maybe take some of these little old firecrackers that can go off and have some fun outside, and we'll go from there. So until next time, we'll see you later.
I'm Francis Kiefel, and I approved this video.